Welcome to the ROI Unlimited Compensation Plan overview. Over the next few minutes, we are going to show you exactly how the compensation plan works and how by simply sharing the amazing products that ROI offers with others, you can create an unlimited amount of commissions. This compensation plan is extremely powerful. We have combined the most powerful elements that our industry has ever seen and structured them in a manner that has never been done before. This is the first ever true company-wide Follow Me matrix ever created. We believe in the power of teamwork, so we structured the compensation plan to encourage members to help sell our amazing products and build their teams. We did this by adding in extremely lucrative leadership bonuses. ROI Unlimited has 3 different business entry levels: the Driver Matrix, the Accelerator Matrix, and the Power Matrix. All business levels are 2x3 company-wide Follow Me matrices. To make this easy, we are going to break this presentation down into 3 sections: compensation, qualifications, and mechanics. Let's first start off with the compensation so you know how much you earn at the various levels in the company. The Driver Matrix. To join the Driver Matrix, there is a one-time membership fee and product sale of $250. This sale can be personal or made to an outside customer. There's no requirement to join the Matrix to enjoy the benefits of our product. When you qualify at this level, your sponsor will earn a direct sales commission of $25. Upon joining, you will receive your business ID and business certificate, which allows you to qualify for and join the 2x3 Driver Matrix in the next available position following your sponsor, as well as your ROI Unlimited hotel card. The Driver Matrix looks like this. When you qualify in the Driver Matrix, you will fall in the first available position in the 8th row of whichever matrix your sponsor or sponsor's team members are on. Everyone on the matrix works as a team to fill the bottom 8 row. Once all 8 positions are filled in the bottom row, the top member cycles and earns a $500 reward, automatic entry into the Accelerator Matrix as part of the normal progression in the pay plan, and the ROI Unlimited Condo Card. Here is where it starts getting exciting. The sponsor of the member who just cycled earns a leadership bonus of $100. This means that every single member you personally refer, when they cycle, you earn a leadership bonus. Now let's look at the Accelerator Matrix. There are 2 ways you can join the Accelerator Matrix. You can earn your way up automatically by cycling through the Driver Matrix first, or you can just hit the qualification standards from the start. To join the Accelerator Matrix, there is a one-time membership fee and product sale of $1,000. This sale can be personal or made to an outside customer. There's no requirement to join the Matrix to enjoy the benefits of our product. When you qualify at this level, your sponsor will earn a direct sales commission of $100. Upon joining the Accelerator Matrix, you will be given your business ID and business certificate, which allows you to qualify for and join the 2x3 Accelerator Matrix in the next available position following your sponsor. If your sponsor is not in the Accelerator Matrix, the system will perform an upline search to find the first member in your upline that is in the Accelerator Matrix, so you always stay with your team. The Accelerator Matrix looks like this. When you join, you will fall in the first available position in the 8th row of whichever matrix your sponsor is on. Everyone on the matrix works as a team to fill the bottom 8 row. Once all 8 positions are filled in the bottom row, the top member cycles and earns a $5,000 reward and automatic re-entry into the Accelerator Matrix as part of the normal progression in the pay plan. This happens over and over again to infinity. The sponsor of the member who just cycled earns a leadership bonus of $1,000. This means that every single member you personally refer, when they cycle, you earn a $1,000 leadership bonus. Now that's serious money. Okay, let's look at the Power Matrix. This is where the big boys and girls play. To join the Power Matrix, there is a one-time enrollment fee and product sale of $3,500. This sale can be personal or made to an outside customer. There's no requirement to join the Matrix to enjoy the benefits of our product. When you qualify at this level, your sponsor will earn a direct sales commission of $100. Upon joining, you will be given your business ID and business certificate, which allows you to qualify for and join the 2x3 Power Matrix in the next available position following your sponsor, as well as the hotel, condo, and cruise cards. If your sponsor is not in the Power Matrix, the system will perform an upline search to find the first member in your upline that is in the Power Matrix, so you always stay with your team. The Power Matrix looks like this. When you qualify for the position, you will fall in the first available position in the 8th row of whichever matrix your sponsor is on. Everyone on the matrix works as a team to fill the bottom 8 row. Once all 8 positions are filled in the bottom row, the top member cycles and earns a $20,000 reward and automatic entry back into the Power Matrix following their sponsor. Think about that for a minute. How would earning $20,000 over and over again change your life? Every time a member you personally sponsor cycles out of the Power Matrix, you earn a leadership bonus of $2,000. This means that every single member you personally refer, when they cycle, you earn this $2,000 bonus. After the matrix is filled and the top member cycles off, everyone on that matrix moves up a level, just like in the driver and accelerator matrix. Now that's powerful. This compensation plan is state-of-the-art. But hold on. We're just getting this party started. Now let's talk about qualifications. There are 2 sets of qualifications in the ROI compensation plan. There is the jump qualification and the re-entry qualification. Let's first look at the jump qualification. The jump qualification is very simple to understand and works like this. In the driver matrix, if you make one product sale of either the Silver Traveler or the Gold Traveler, you are qualified to jump as well as safe from being jumped by other members. In the accelerator matrix, having a personal sponsor join the accelerator matrix by either graduating from the driver matrix, re-entering the accelerator matrix after they cycle, or if you make a direct sale of the Gold Traveler, will all qualify you to jump and be safe from being jumped by other members. In the Power Matrix, if you make a direct sale of the Platinum Traveler, or if a personal sponsor cycles their Power Matrix and re-enters, you will be qualified to jump and be safe from being jumped by other members. Now how simple is that? Now let's look at the re-entry qualifications. For the driver matrix, being that you only go through it one time, there are no re-entry qualifications. For the accelerator matrix, you must bring in 2 new product sales per cycle. This qualification is cumulative. For the Power Matrix, you must bring in 2 new product sales per cycle that total a minimum of $1,000 in sales volume. This qualification is also cumulative. Now let's get into the mechanics of how the matrices work and some of the different features that make the compensation plan run. As we have discussed, all of the matrices here at ROI Unlimited are 2x3 company-wide Follow Me matrices. This means that each time you cycle and re-enter, you will always follow your sponsor on whichever matrix they are on. All 3 matrices work the exact same way. Each of the matrices also have a jump feature. The jump feature gives you the ability to jump over other members on your matrices that are not actively building their business. Here is an example of how the matrix flows with the jump feature. Let's say John is in the number 1 position, Mark and Ann are in the 2nd and 3rd positions, Tim, Jill, Mary, and Alan are in the 4th row, and the 8th row looks like this. Once the 8th row fills, the top member will cycle and earn the matrix cycle bonus. Now here is where the magic begins. The system first looks at the 4th row to see if the members there have brought in at least 1 product sale since their last cycle. In this example, Jill, Mary, and Alan have all brought in at least 1 product sale, so they are safe and will move up. Tim has not brought in a sale, so he can be jumped. Now the system looks at the 8th row and finds the first member that has brought in at least 1 product sale to this matrix. Let's say it's Val. Val will then jump to Tim's position on the 4th row, and Tim will take Val's position on the 8th row. After the system performs all the jumps, a script is then run that realigns the 4th row, then realigns the 8th row too, and places the members with their teams. This is proprietary software that you will only find with ROI. After the teams have been realigned, the matrix then splits into 2 matrices and everyone moves up 1 level. Each of the matrices work the exact same way. Another very powerful feature that we have created is the admin position. Every company has a very top position where everything starts from. We call this position the admin position. Now, each member will only go through the driver matrix one time. There is no automatic re-entry into the driver matrix. However, the admin position automatically re-enters the driver matrix each time it cycles, and it falls into the next available position in the company-wide structure or the oldest matrix to help keep the membership moving forward. Now that is powerful. That's it. It's that simple. Don't overthink this. It's as simple as it looks. The potential to generate $100,000 months in a short period of time is very real. There are absolutely no limits here. Everyone easily has the potential to generate $20,000 their first month. It doesn't get any more powerful than that. Click on the Join button above and become an ROI member today and get started on your journey to a whole new life. This illustration is only for educational purposes and is not intended to serve as a guarantee of income. Success in this business requires hard work, dedication, and good sales skills. The average participant in this business earns between $500 and $3,000. Some earn less, while some earn much more.